Wow! Wow! Kunyara.
Ato bang sa ato? Look at Tati first. Look at Tati. Look at Tati.
Ano naman?
There's a fire.
Wow, Dylan!
Fire? See a fire in the fountain? So nice. Yeah, wait. Yeah, you become a fire truck because this is fire. But it's okay. This is small.
Wow!
Wow.
Sige.
Sige.
Sige, Dylan.
Rainbow color.
You scared, Dylan?
You shocked? Yeah, do you remember?
Wow!
It's okay. It's okay.
You scared?
We pass in the water.
Sige.
We are passing the water. That's not scary. Sige. Buwag ito. Buwag ito. That's not scary. They're passing the water. Stand up. The fountain is dancing. It's nice. Wow, there's a fire. Looks like a firework. Okay,
Wow,
balik ka na.
Dylan. Napang nalas.
Napa? Di ba dyan namunang mahal?
Lay. Yan, nalas pa. Oh.
Wow!
Wow, Dylan.
Wow!
Wow.
Rainbow.
Rainbow. That's a rainbow?
Rainbow color?
What you can see, Dylan?
Ito?
Wow.
There's more. Look at. There's more.
Wow.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle. Oh, gapoy na siya mahal. Tanawa.
Wow. So high. It's so high, Dylan.
The fountain is dancing.
Wow.
Wow, look at the fountain. So tall. Wow, so nice. Ay, wait out.
Nice, Dylan. So nice.
May point ano kabitang sa kita. Nakurat siya. Ano?
Tulubat ka?
Uy, pakuha na kayo. Wala kita gitang butong mo.
Wow.
pa dito ang ato ba? Hindi man makita dito. Na yung tayong anis buhay lang.
Yeah, katulad ko.
Na bisan sa sikatuna, way nga ni. No, bisan malagnay nga yung sikatuna, nasulit ang katuna. Tapos dilat. Na-scared na siya kasi buto-buto. Sige na ba siya, te? Sige. Woo! Yung bala pagkakuha. Te, healing my inner child.
Buto na.
Dali. Iyo, pati ko yan naman, look siya mo.
Woo! Low battery mo.
Look, battery 1% ang ka? Kurang mahadlo ka gina siya mo na.
Kuratan mo siya eh.
Sige siya. Makuratan
Siging. Buwag isang.
It's okay. That's a water pop. They're popping the water.
It's like a balloon, Dylan.
Hadlok.
Let's go na.